Hello, I welcome you all offline and online doctors. So as we continue our Thursday lecture series, so today's topic is fungal infections. So which is very difficult in day-to-day practice, and it is also called as your bread and butter cases. So you have to become master in such cases. So our today's speaker who have treated so many cases of fungal infections, which more than 99% result in last 5 years. So I welcome Dr. Krushank Gujrati.
Thank you, Dr. Anand. Myself, Dr. Krushank Gujrati. I am practicing since 2014. Before the starting the lecture, with the blessing of our master, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, with the blessing of our Guru, the Lion of Homeopathic, Dr. Praful Vijaykar, this is the stage of the Happy Gujarat is representing the our sir. So during the lecture, the case which I am showing that all the case are evidence based and research proof. So આ જે સ્ટેજ છે ને આ સ્ટેજ ઉપરથી એક એવી પણ એક કેસ નહીં હોય કે જ્યાં એવિડન્સ નહીં હોય અને પ્રૂફ નહીં હોય, બિકોઝ આ કશે ને કશે પ્રફુલ્લ સરને રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ થાય છે એટલા માટે. બિકોઝ સરનું આજ સુધીનો કાયમ એક રહ્યું છે કે સર જ્યાં સુધી કોઈ વસ્તુ પ્રૂફ ન થાય, ફૂલ પ્રૂફ ન થાય ત્યાં સુધી સ્ટેજ ઉપર ક્યારે સર ડિક્લેર નથી કરતા. સો એઝ અ સ્ટુડન્ટ આપણે એ વસ્તુને કેરી ફોરવર્ડ કરીએ. With the blessing of Dr. Amrish Vijaykar sir, thank you so much my mentor who always gives the confidence and knowledge, especially Dr. Jitesh sir, Dr. Suketu sir, Dr. Amit sir, Dr. Keyur sir and Dr. Dharmesh sir. Best part of my life. Homeopathic માં આપણે એવું કહેવાય ને કે without 3 symptoms you cannot prescribe the right medicine. Trinity friends who always keep me motivated for the homeopathic, Dr. Anand Salia, Sora, Dr. Dadna Salia, Psychosis. So today's topic, approach in the fungal disease, general as well as systemic. The reason behind to select this topic particularly, because there is a short story. When I start the practice 2014, so 2014 to 2018, I had so many fail case in the ringworm. At the time of 2018-19, मैं पेशेंट को बोलता था कि आप एलोपैथिक ले लीजिए, मेरे से रिंगवर्म नहीं ट्रीट होता. That level of. But on one day, sir took the lecture about the sepia, and that time sir giving the understanding of the evolution of the life after the Big Bang. Sir described the evolution of life. That time some point clicks in my mind, and that create the approach for the ringworm. So as per aphorism 3. We always know कि what is the disease. So कोई भी disease treat करने से पहले वो disease क्या है, कैसे फॉर्म होता है, उसका evolution क्या है, वो जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. So first we know the what is the disease. So there is a different types of fungal infection: oral candidiasis, pityriasis versicolor, fungals, which are the different airborne fungi, common food fungi, oral fungi, lung fungi, intestinal fungi, skin fungi, vaginal fungi. So basically from all these fungi, Candida is the basically a most crucial part of the fungal infection. Almost all the fungal diseases arises from the candidiasis. So fungal infection, there are so many medicines which are the prepared from the fungi, which are our in Materia Medica. So there are the some photographs. Later we see the details. So what are the example of fungi? Mushroom, toadstool, molds, mildews and yeast. There are the different words and which are also available in our repertory also. So there is the mushroom, tooth fungus, puffball, yeast. Puffball is one of the fungus. The medicine is prepared the Bovista. Jitesh sir always say the paraovarian cyst yani Bovista. So what is the correlation which we'll see the later. So that is the first chart. In that time I clicked about the fungus approach. That time sir give the understanding कि after the Big Bang there is the evolution of the life. So evolution of life there are the fungi, bacteria and virus and then all the life will be started. So that time I just click कि fungi is too deeper. So basic ailments from cannot cure the fungal infection and that time I think कि for the curing of fungal infection I need to go more deeper. So in starting of some cases, first 4-5 cases, I start to hunting the deeper syphilis. And after the continuous 4-5 case is curing, then I see what are the syphilis in that cases. And majority in cases I found some autoimmunity. And fungus is the basically a destruction. Fungus is always come the destruction. We see in the COVID era. After the COVID, lots of antibiotic, lots of antiviral, there are the mucormycosis, fungal infection, which are the more destruction to the life. So, what is the fungal infection and what is the reason for it? Fungal infection are the known as a opportunistic infection. What is the opportunistic? जब भी आपका इम्यून सिस्टम डाउन होगा ना, फंगल इमीडिएटली कम्स डाउन. फंगल सिर्फ उस चीज का जो बोलते हैं ना कि राह देख रहा है. जैसे आफ्टर एंटीबायोटिक्स गया, कंटिन्यूस एंटीबायोटिक्स, जैसे इम्यून सिस्टम कम डाउन हुआ, फंगल इन्फेक्शन कम्स. So that time COVID also the viral load is going down, fungus is comes. So when mucosal barrier are disturbed or the immune system is compromised, the word is immune system is compromised. However, they can invade and cause the disease. About the 40 type of the fungus can cause the ringworm. They are typically trichophyton, microsporum, epidermal phyton type. Fungal infection is individual with, this word is most necessary. Fungal infection in individual with deficient immune system, Candida species tend to be the culprit of the most fungal infection and can cause the both systemic and superficial infection. So for that fungal infection, we need the immunity is the Th1 type cell mediated immunity is the required for the clearance of fungus. So understand fungus is what a level of deeper. That immune system that much of compromise. And what is the exact meaning of deficient immune system? I will explain. First explains what is the cellular immunity. Cellular immunity, also known as the cell-mediated immunity, and is an immune response that does not rely on the production of the antibodies. Rather, cell-mediated immunity is the activation of the phagocytes, antigen-specific cytotoxic T lymphocyte, and the release of the various cytokines in response to an antigen. Now, we give the meaning of immunodeficient. So immunodeficiency, also known as the immunocompromisation, is a state in which the immune system is ability to fight the infectious disease and the cancer is compromised or entirely absent. So immune system may be compromised or may be absent. So steroid and fungus are the disproportionate. Huh? More the steroid, more the fungal infection growth. We always see in the clinic, patient comes after the applying of the clobetasol or ketoconazole. After that, fungus are going the upwards. जो बोलते हैं ना हेरिंग्स लॉ ऑफ क्योर के हिसाब से वो ऊपर से नीचे जाना चाहिए, उसके जगह नीचे से ऊपर आता है बिकॉज ऑफ स्टीरॉइड. जितना स्टीरॉइड जाएगा उतना फंगस और ज़्यादा ग्रोथ करेगा because your immune system is already deficient and you are the suppressing the immune system with the steroids. The person who are on the steroidal treatment are more prone to the suffer from the fungal disease. Even the major autoimmune disease entry point is the fungal infection because major fungus can initiate the severe autoimmune disease. Understand that word. Even the major autoimmune disease entry point. एक चीज समझो कि ये गेट का जो है ये एंट्री पॉइंट ये है. सो ऑटोइम्यून में जाने का जो रास्ता है ना वो भी फंगस है. So the some research of the esteemed group of the Medical Society of the United States of America. The cause of ringworm disease is not known exactly despite the research, but it is thought to be an autoimmune origin. This is the research paper which published in the 22 August 2022. And this is the fungus which scientists said, and our so many medicine which prepared from the fungi is the similar theme. So what are the theme of group of fungi? Invasion, invades, spread out and destroy. This is the typical word for the fungus. Invasion, invades, spread out and destroy. There are the many medicine from the fungus, mainly a Bovista, Agaricus, Eustylogus, Sickle Core, Candidiasis, albicans. This remedy, even you go into the materia medica, that this remedy has a very deep acting. Like Agaricus. Agaricus has a very deep action on the brain. Bovista is a very deep action of the female genital tract and ovaries. So these are the medicine has a very depth. So in a fungal infection, there are the mainly I always divided the case into two types. One is the fresh case, जहाँ पेशेंट आपके पास जो आता है तो विदाउट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एनी ऑइंटमेंट, कोई ऑइंटमेंट अप्लाई नहीं किया होता है, कोई मेडिसिन नहीं लिया होता है, जिसको बोलते हैं फ्रेश केस. और एक दूसरा जो केस आता है कि जहाँ लॉट्स ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट अप्लाई होता है, पेशेंट सालों से वो रिंगवॉर्म में ही चला रहता है. जैसे बहुत सारे स्टीरॉइड्स हो गए, बहुत सारे एंटी फंगल्स हो गए, बट दैट उसका जो अप्रोच है वो अप्रोच इज डिफरेंट. सो फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट विद द कि फ्रेश केस है तो उसमें क्या अप्रोच करना है, जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा कॉर्टिकोस्टीरॉइड्स यूज हुए है, उसमें क्या अप्रोच लेना है. सो स्टार्ट विद द केस वन. केस वन इज द फ्रेश केस. Why fresh case? Because patient coming without application of any ointment. Chief complaint, patient had a complaint of ringworm last 20 days. ODP of case, the circular eruption started from the head, especially on the right side and in the outer region of the thigh. Present symptoms, redness, circular itching, especially aggravation in night or after the sore food. Past history, tonsillitis with fever 2 months ago. That episode continues till 10 days. Antibiotic treatment was taken. I said ना कि फंगल इन्फेक्शन के लिए आपका इम्यून सिस्टम है वो बहुत डेफिशिएंट होना चाहिए. दिस इज द रीजन. सो यहाँ केस में क्या आया कि इरप्शन कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ, हेड से. सो पेशेंट को उस हिसाब से क्वेश्चनिंग. So I asked the patient, what is the issue with mother-in-law or the father-in-law? Because eruptions start on the right side of the head. Patient described the situation that she done love marriage. Mother-in-law is good with me. So I asked, then what was the problem when you feel irritated or angry from the last 20-30 days. Why irritate and anger? Because there is the redness, there is the itching. So it's always because it's anger and irritations. Patient said that my sister-in-law is my bhabhi also. So under marriage. So between my brother and her relation is not good. So because of that, 1 month back they fight. So because of them, my parents and my in-laws relation are spoiling. So my situation is like that कि मैं मेरे पेरेंट्स को भी कुछ नहीं बोल सकती एंड मेरे इन-लॉज को भी कुछ नहीं बोल सकती, क्योंकि उन लोगों के बीच का जो माहौल बिगड़ रहा है वो मुझे इरिटेट कर रहा है. यानी इसको भी नहीं बोल सकती, उसको भी नहीं बोल सकती, एंड ब्रदर और सिस्टर इन लॉ के बीच का जो माहौल है वो जो बिगड़ रहा है वो परेशान कर रहा है. उसमें भी वो क्या परेशान कर रहा है कि गुस्सा आ रहा है. गुस्से में क्या हो रहा है, आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू रिएक्ट द एंगर. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये लोग तो बड़े, ये लोग क्यों नहीं समझ रहे हैं. सो दैट इज द वर्ड ऑफ पेशेंट. सो फ्रॉम दिस सिचुएशन कि जो माहौल बिगड़ रहा है ना उससे गुस्सा आता है, बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू रिएक्ट इट. सो वन ऑफ द rubric is anger suppressed, and second is the sensitive to disharmony. That is the mahal. From the other part of the history, patient was introverted and reserved in nature and very fresh case, so I prescribed the Natrum 50 ml. Natrum 50 ml 3 dose given. After the 1 week, head eruption was gone and gradually all eruption are vanished. Okay. So this is the a basic case, a fresh case. जो केस में कोई ऑइंटमेंट अप्लाई नहीं होता है, पेशेंट कमिंग टू अ डायरेक्टली. बट सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि एज अ होम्योपैथ पेशेंट हमारे पास सबसे लास्ट में आता है. सो ट्विस्ट यहाँ आता है. बेसिकली कहानी का सबसे बड़ा ट्विस्ट कि पेशेंट ऑलवेज कम विथ अस आफ्टर द अप्लाइंग लॉट्स ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट एंड एंटी फंगल मेडिसिन. देन व्हाट इज द अप्रोच. सो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है ना यहाँ शुरू होता है. मैंने बोला ना कि 2014 टू 2018 आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द रिजल्ट. क्योंकि वो 10 में से 1-2 रिजल्ट मिलता था. इट्स नॉट द रिजल्ट. सो पेशेंट मेजॉरिटी टाइम कम्स विथ आफ्टर द अप्लाइंग लॉट्स ऑफ स्टीरॉइड ऑइंटमेंट्स. सो मेनी एंटी फंगल मेडिसिन्स come with the complex picture of the fungal infection, and patient does not know how it started and how it increased, because it's a long time, 3 years, 4 years, 6 years. So what is the approach for that case? Approach for that case in which not getting the result. So earlier I already explained in the pathophysiology of fungal infection that immune system is too weak, that is the immunodeficient or immunocompromised. So immunity is too weak or absent. So according to me, your immune system is already too compromised, and when you use some steroidal ointments or a immunosuppressive agent, so that situation becomes like a autoimmunity. That's why in fungal cases I start to using the autoimmune approach. So in last 5 years of treating, after the failing in so many cases, before that 4 years, autoimmune approach is the best approach to treat the fungal infection. And it's on a pure evidence base. And it is not on a 1 or 2 case, but I can say it in last 5 years, 50 out of 48 cases are improving completely. So first case, patient name is Modi, age 45 years, female. Patient having the complaint of fungal infection since last 4 years of patient. Patient does not know the exact location. मैंने बोला ना कि that is the complex disease. When it started, but it mostly on a left-sided thigh and knee. When patient enters in my clinic, I ask what is the problem. So मेरे क्लिनिक में वो ह्यूमिडिटी की वजह से वो फंगस जैसा था. तो पेशेंट बोले कि आपकी जो वॉल में है ना वही बीमारी मुझे है. सो अपने को पेशेंट का डिस्पोजिशन मिल गया. So 5 years back, what is the situation that patient daughters are married. After the marriage of her daughter, so daughter और उनके in-laws के relation is not good. So patient that feels very bad and feeling hurt. I ask what you feel. Patient said कि मुझे पता है कि उनके in-laws बहुत अच्छे हैं. उनके mother-in-law and father-in-law are too good. But जो प्रॉब्लम है ना वो प्रॉब्लम मेरी डॉटर में है. तो बोला कि क्या हुआ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बोले कि मैंने उनको उनकी सारी ख्वाहिशें और सारी ज़रूरियात पूरी की है आज तक. हाँ, जो नई ज़रूरी है वैसी भी ख्वाहिशें उनकी पूरी की है, तो वो स्पॉइल हो चुकी है. सो कहीं ना कहीं जो मेरी परवरिश है ना, वो परवरिश में कहीं ना कहीं कमी है. सो मुझे एक माँ होने का जो फ़र्ज़ था ना, वो फ़र्ज़ मैं नहीं निभा पाई. So this is the cause. So this is the autoimmune cause. So what is the rubric? So reproach himself, one of the rubric. Second is the neglected duty. So I took the rubric delusion, neglected duty is, and patient give the disposition directly, censorious critical. So confirm with other points given the arsenic 10 ml water dose. So what is the reason about the water dose? Because आपका जो immune system है ना वो completely सुस्त है, उसको जगाना है, उसको पूरी तरह से राउज करना है, completely deficient है. तो एक सिंगल डोज से नहीं जा रहा है. मैंने बार बार जब सिंगल डोज किया है ना, मुझे एक वीक के बाद उसको वाटर डोज देना ही पड़ा है. सो आई स्टार्ट द वाटर डोज. And after the water dose, that is the result. See the skin color. Completely a normalized skin. That is a classical cure. Water dose. There's a 10 ml water, 5 to 6 drops SL and 5 to 6 drops of medicine, and 10 times shaking and giving the 2 drops daily morning. Daily 10 stroke and 2 drops morning. So there is a continuous till first 15 days. After that, if improving start, I hold the water dose. So case 2. Patient name is Rupaben Rai, 34 years old. Patient was the complaint of ringworm since last 7 years. Patient exactly does not know how it start, but presently she has the itching of the inner side of the right thigh. Right side is more affected than the left side. Patient taking so many allopathic medicine as well as homeopathic medicine, Natrum Sulf, Sepia, Tellurium prescribed by her village doctor. तो अपना एंटी फंगल वाला सारा मेडिसिन चला गया. So from the complaint, there is the inner side of the right thigh. Whenever the inner side of the thigh is affected, now always think about the loved ones. And when the outside of the thigh is affected, think about the performance. So, history of appendectomy on the age of 16 years. Affected part is the inner side of the thigh. So, means the loved ones. More problem on the side, right side of the inner thigh. So right side is for the husband, father, or a when there is the inner side of thigh. So is a husband mostly. So I ask, any issue with husband or any anger or irritation toward the husband? So patient say, मेरे husband बहुत अच्छे हैं, कोई problem नहीं है. बोला कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम होगा ना. कंप्लेन आया तो हो सकता है. तो पेशेंट बोले कि मेरे हस्बैंड ना कभी कभी ड्रिंक करते थे. सो मेरा हस्बैंड जो है वो कभी कभी ड्रिंक करते थे. सो आई फील कि उनको मैं बार बार समझाती हूँ, ये इनकी आदत बन गई. तो पेशेंट का जो थॉट्स है ना वो इस दैट लेवल कि उसकी आदत बन गई. तो एंड नाउ अभी धीरे धीरे उनका जो पीना है ना वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो वो जो है ना वो मुझे गुस्सा दे रहा है. सो मतलब क्या होता है, बोलते हैं कि स्पेशली जब मैं रात को सोती हूँ ना तो ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में चालू होती है कि क्या होगा, कैसे करूँ. एंड आई फील लाइक अनइजीनेस एंड वो अनइजीनेस में आई फील कि मैं सुसाइड कर लूँ. सो नाउ कन्वर्ट दिस सिचुएशन इनटू द रूटीन.
What suicidal and delusion is for.
पेशेंट फील्स कि मैं क्या करूँ, कैसे करूँ. आई फील लाइक अनइजीनेस एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं सुसाइड कर लूँ. एंड डेट थॉट्स जब रात को वो सोने के लिए जाती है तभी ये शुरू होता है. पेशेंटનું વર્ડ હતો કે વિચારોના વંટોળ ચાલુ થાય એન્ડ ફિલિંગ ધ ક્રિએટ ધ અનઇઝીનેસ. So rubric, so my interpretation, especially night में he feels the anxious and not understand कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. So it's a anguish in night. And the situation में उसको लगता है कि मैं suicide कर दूँ. So I took the rubric, anguish night with the suicidal disposition. Remedy is only the Heppar sulf. Only a single remedy is the Heppar sulf. And Heppar sulf 10 ml 1 dose. That time. बट मैं बोला ना कि वाटर डोज नहीं देता हूँ तो पेशेंट ठीक नहीं होता. सो फॉलो अप आफ्टर द 15 days, नो चेंज, itching is increased, but I am very sure about this remedy, so I wait for the more 5 days, but after 5 days not much change is seen. So I have started the deviated dose water potency daily. After the 1 month, almost all the lesion is clear. So, daily 2. So next case, patient is the Jagdish Bhai Nalavade, age 43 years, male, occupation is a broker. Patient had the complaint of the ringworm from last 4 to 5 years. Lesion is started from the both side of the thigh, itching aggravation in night. Now also on the right side shoulder and the back area. Patient on allopathic treatment since last 3 years on and off but not relief. No major illness in the past patient. Extroverted nature, easily mixed with the others, study wise good. Last time preparation, non-delusion, maths is good. Drawing is good, like to draw the faces. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज गुड. स्कूल में स्टेज पे बोलना, परफॉर्मेंस देना सब कर पाता था. आई लाइक टू गिव द स्पीच. पेशेंट को स्पीच देना पसंद है. ऐसे पेशेंट क्लिनिक में आते हैं ना तो अपना एटमोसफेयर चेंज हो जाता है. सर मैं कोई भी चीज़ को मैनेज करना हो तो मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है क्योंकि लोग हमें जानते हैं और लोगों को हमारा नाम पता चलता है. नाउ डेज लाइक टू स्टडी रिलीजियस बुक्स ड्यूरिंग द केस टेकिंग ऑब्जर्वेशन बोस्टिंग इन नेचर. I asked which situation is giving irritation to you. He told me, sir मुझे कभी जिंदगी में गुस्सा आता ही नहीं. मैं हमेशा बहुत कूल टेम्परामेंट वाला बंदा हूँ, like MS धोनी. That is the word of patient.
ये बॉस तो बड़ा हो गया.
His wife told me, sir इनको गुस्सा आता है लेकिन वो बाहर नहीं निकलते. मैं बोला क्या बात कर रहे हो. सो बिफोर द 1 month क्या हुआ कि उनके घर में कुछ झगड़ा हुआ. एंड डेट टाइम पेशेंट फील सो मच एंग्री एंड पेशेंट नॉट रिएक्टेड. इट लुक्स लाइक अ वेरी कूल, बट आफ्टर गोइंग इनटू द रूम ही स्टार्ट द स्लैपिंग हिमसेल्फ. दैट इज द ऑटोइम्यूनिटी. एंड majority of the cases in ringworm, I always find out there is the striking, self-torture, suicidal thoughts. There's so many cases. So hunger, cannot tolerate hot, thirstless, no any specific particular. So my entry point is the anger, suppressed reaction is the striking with himself. Again the autoimmunity. Disposition is boosting, MS Dhoni. Extroverted, likes art, hot patient, remedy is clear. Sulfur. So remedy was the sulfur, 1 ml water potency. The itching is now tolerable. Blackish discoloration around the thigh is reduced. Shoulder part is improved. Prescribe SL4. जैसे improve होना start होता है ना, I stop the water dose. lesion was reduced, skin normal tone appear, but some new lesion coming and itching is increased. So again repeat sulfur 10 mg 3 dose every week. Almost all lesion clear, no itching, normal skin tone. That is the changes. It is the complete restoration of the health as per aphorism 2. Now the most interesting case, especially Anant. Ritika Dani's patient, 24 years, female. Patient had a complaint of the ringworm since last 2 to 3 years. Eruptions start around the vaginal part and the thigh region. बताओ फोटो. And aggravation, especially during the menses. Heartburn before the menses since menarche. उसकी चीफ कंप्लेन देखो, इसका इरप्शन कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ? वजाइना से. उसको प्रॉब्लम कब होती है? मेंसेस के टाइम. ओके, सो उसको प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि उसको फीमेलहुड से प्रॉब्लम है, उसकी आइडेंटिटी से प्रॉब्लम है उसको. सो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? वी नीड टू फाइंड. So in this case, eruption start with the vagina, and second thing, always problem the heartburn during the menses. So my direct question, why you feel angry about own self or why you feel कि मुझे female नहीं होना चाहिए था? That is a straightforward question. Patient start the weeping and said, मुझे मेरे जात पे गुस्सा आता है. When I was small, that time my father business partner sexually abused me. That time I am very small. So ऐसा लगा कि जो कोई टच हो रहा था ना वो सही नहीं था. That I remember. When she was 14 years old, that time again she was sexually abused by her दूर cousin brother. पेशेंट का जो कंप्लेन है वो 2-3 इयर्स से स्टार्ट हुआ है, लेकिन जो उसका पूरा लाइफ जो है ना, वो पूरा लाइफ जो है पूरा उस हिसाब से दिक्कत है. 2019 महाराज साहब थे, गंदे गंदे वर्ड्स बोलते थे, गंदा गंदा पूछते थे, फीलिंग हर्ट एंड एंगर. बोला क्या गुस्सा आता है? घर पे बताऊंगी तो वो लोग मानेंगे नहीं क्योंकि वो महाराज साहब थे. सो मुझे खुद पे बहुत गुस्सा आता है कि मेरे में ऐसा क्या है कि मुझे बार बार इस ट्रॉमा से गुजरना पड़ रहा है. सो मुझे खुद पे नफरत हो रही है. दैट इज द वर्ड ऑफ द पेशेंट. सो देयर इज द hatred about oneself. There is a disgust. Why I am suffering from this trauma again and again? So that is the identity issue. That is the autoimmunity again. Disgust with himself, ailments from the anger, abuse. Remedy was given of Aristotle Clemitis 200 liquid dose because I have no available 1 m or 10 m. So only potency available is 200. So that time I give the remedy Aristotle Clemitis. After the 1 month, heartburn reduced, eruption slightly decrease. Patient's word, सर पूरे जीवन में मुझे जैसी बेस्ट नींद नहीं आती थी वो ये दिनों में आई है. That is the improvement of 22/6/2024. Sorry, 23. Eruption was almost gone. Heartburn again this time 1-2 times. Vomiting during the period. Sleep good. SL for 1 month. No itching, no eruption, no problem during that time. Now the after the जब मैंने ये केस को ना जितेश सर को प्रेजेंट किया, उनको दिखाया कि इस हिसाब से क्योर हुआ, तो उन्होंने मुझे बहुत ब्यूटीफुली रिलेशन एक्सप्लेन किया. दैट रिलेशन इज अ डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ सिग्नेचर. दैट इज द प्लांट, दैट इज द एरिस्टोक्लेमाइटिस विच इज अ एग्जैक्ट रिसेम्बल टू द यूट्रस. Exact resemble to the uterus. So in Aristoclemitis, all the problems are coming and going around the uterus, vagina, cervix, the menses, that all the surrounding. उसकी problem यहाँ के आसपास ही होगी. That is the doctrine of signature. So this is the power of our homeopathy. So what is the meaning of Aristoclemitis? Even meaning, Aristo means better. Lokia means giving the birth. In popular medicine, to induce the birth or the stimulate the menses. That is the word. Induce to birth and stimulant to the menses. So जहाँ अमेनोरिया के केसेस है कि जहाँ पीरियड स्टार्ट ही नहीं हो रहे हैं, हाँ, जिसको विदाउट रीजन फर्टिलिटी नहीं रह रही है, इनफर्टिलिटी के केसेस है, उसमें वन ऑफ द बेस्ट रेमेडी. What is the constitution? Subject of the nervous constitution with extreme sensitivity and who cry easily like a pulsatilla. Hormonal imbalance, tubercular condition of the worn out type. Worn out means thaki jao, kantadi jao. So what are the sphere of action of the aristoclemitis? I am taking that detail because it is a very less used remedy. Urinary tract infection, irritation, inflammation, cystitis, pyelitis, polyuria, female genitalia, ovaries, amenorrhea, oligomenorrhea, hypomenorrhea, menopausal arthritis, sterility, pregnancy. Even also in the male genitalia, prostatitis and epididymitis similar to a pulsatilla. Vulnerary, infected wound, blister from the mechanical cause, रोइंग राइडिंग एक्सेट्रा. ये जो मैकेनिकल वुंड है ना, उसमें सिनोप्टिक में ऐसा लिखा है कि दिस रेमेडी इज हायर देन द कैलेंडुला. दैट मच ऑफ द डेप्थ एक्शन. स्किन इज अ क्रॉनिक एंड अक्यूट एक्जिमा, डर्मेटाइटिस, इन्फेक्शन एंड अल्सरेशन. Psychosomatic troubles with the tendency to the depression, especially women at menopause, similar like a sepia. Premenstrual sleeplessness, restlessness and congestion of the lower abdomen, enuresis especially of the old woman, acrocyanosis of the young one. That are the sphere of action. So what is the mental picture of the aristoclemitis? So it is the hybrid. Hybrid what is? Because of combination. So there is the hybrid of the sepia, pulsatilla and arnica. So it is the primitive to all to express something new. हाइब्रिड में क्या होता है कि सबको मिक्स कर दो तो उसका एक नया पिक्चर फॉर्म होके बाहर आता है. तो सिमिलर लाइक इज द एरिस्टोक्लेमाइटिस. द फिजिकल symptoms bear a striking resemblance to the pulsatilla. Desire for the open air. बराबर. The mental and personality type seems nearest to the sepia. That is the depression. Among my own patient, that is the Boger synoptic order. Among my own patient, the striking observation was the prevalence of the extreme of moods. Either mark the depression or exhilaration. That is the extreme level of the changeability. Extreme state of the extroversion or the introversion in the same person. So अचानक से इज वेरी लोquacious, अचानक से इज वेरी इंट्रोवर्टेड. They are what is the difference between now pulsatilla, sepia and all? They are not easily comforted like pulsatilla, but rather the inconsolable and cross when in depression, yet not actively aggravated by consolation like sepia. इसको consolation पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन उससे उसको तकलीफ भी नहीं होती है. सेपिया को क्या है कि वो कंसोलेशन से प्रॉब्लम भी होगा. द मोडालिटी शोज क्लोज सिमिलैरिटी टू द पैटर्न ऑफ द पल्सेटिला. इन एनी केस ऑफ द सप्रेस्ड और डेफिशिएंट मेंसेस, थिंक ऑफ द एरिस्टोक्लेमाइटिस. व्हेनेवर यू थिंक द कॉम्बिनेशन पल्सेटिला, सेपिया लाइक पिक्चर, थिंक ऑफ दैट टाइम एरिस्टोक्लेमाइटिस. So there is one difference. इसमें एरिस्टोक्लेमाइटिस प्रिस्क्राइब किया ना, स्पेशली द टिप्स फ्रॉम द सुकेतु सर. Whenever the sepia you give in the ringworm cases, don't change till the 2 month. sepia हायर में देने का है और उसको 2 month तक चेंज नहीं करना है. This is the clinical tips by our mentor सुकेतु सर. So there are the key point of the aristoclemitis: infected wounds, hormonal imbalance, never well since oral contraceptive pills. इनफर्टिलिटी के पेशेंट में बहुत सारे रिपोर्ट्स नॉर्मल होता है, पेशेंट सालों से पिल्स पे रहते हैं ना. सो जो पिल्स वाले जो है ना, इनके लिए एरिस्टोक्लेमाइटिस हो जाता है. expel retained product of conception. There is a rubric, fetus death retained. Only a remedy is aristoglemitis. Eruption on umbilical region, single remedy is the aristo. Mucus and moisture anus around, jelly genitis like. Stress incontinence, urine involuntary in the woman especially. Leukorrhea is the white, brown, bloody candidal. That is also one kind of fungal infection. पदयात्री जो लोग चलते हैं ना चंपल के बिना, तो उनके पैरों में जो इन्फेक्शन होता है is also one kind of fungal. There is a athlete foods. Wound bites, dogs or rabbit and snake, slow and infected wound, antiseptic property. These are the case of the basically a fungal infection, which are the generalized fungal infection. Now the other cases are a systemic fungal. What is the systemic fungal? When the fungal infection create the disturbance in your inner system, especially a mucormycosis. डॉक्टर धर्मेश सावत सर ने लिया था पूरा म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस का लेक्चर, सो एक बार वो पूरा डिटेल में आप देखिए. So case is the Vinay Parmar, 26-year males. The known case of the mucormycosis, systemic fungal infection. The diagnosis is the rhinocerebral mucormycosis. This is the CT scan report. So nose में भी affect है, सारे sinus भी affect है, brain में भी affect है, सारी चीज में mucor है. And doctor advise to operate. But patient comes with me directly, I don't want to operate, and after the giving of remedy, no operated, I show the video. So patient having a complaint of difficulties in breathing with dizziness, nose block and pain severe at the tip of the nose, pulsating type pain, सांझे बहुत दुखा होता है, बोली न सका एवो दुखा होता है, and aggravation on the lying down. So systemic fungal infection में ना I generally took the one pathological rubric and add the disposition and giving the remedy. And the remedy has a 35 remedy. Angry disposition, कोई criticize करे तो गुस्सा आवे, studies medium, studies by own, maths is too weak, drawing is good. कोई पर weak वस्तु के तो मगज में उतरी जाए, તમે જેટલું કામ કહો એટલું જ કરે, will cannot take the decision. Will is weak. So systemic fungal infection જ્યારે भी આવે, mucormycosis જ્યારે भी આવે, that is the short rubric, cancerous affection fungus methods. That is a classical pathological rubric. Just only add on the disposition, you will get 100% result. I got so many result in this case, and Dr. Dharmesh Sawant has almost 100 cases. So disposition, sensitive to the criticism, slow, will weak, calcaria, sulf, 10 every 2 hourly. Why 2 hourly? Because it's a mucormycosis. Doctor advised to operate it. Patient 2-3 दिन में नहीं change हुआ तो patient operate करवा देगा. That's my insecurity. So this is the ये पेशेंट का जस्ट वीडियो था, अभी का जस्ट वीडियो है, क्योंकि लेक्चर लेना था तो एविडेंस दिखाना ज़रूरी है, तो पेशेंट से स्पेशली मंगवाया रिकॉर्ड करके वीडियो. दैट इज द रिजल्ट, म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस. Now another case, there is another case of the systemic fungal infection. Mirabai Golatar, age is 70 years male. One day in a night I got the call from the doctor from the Rajkot, and he told me कि सर ये पेशेंट को म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस है पेशेंट अनकॉन्शियस हो गया है, उसको ऑपरेट भी किया है थोड़ा, लेकिन उसके बाद वो अनकॉन्शियस हो गया है और उसका आरटी है, कैथेटर सब है। तो बोला ठीक है ट्राई करते हैं। सो आई स्टार्ट टू द जर्नी ऑफ डिजीज। जर्नी ऑफ डिजीज इज टू इम्पोर्टेंट because so many times we always neglect the journey of disease. डिजीज कहाँ से कहाँ ट्रैवल कर रहा है ना, ये पेशेंट में मैंने जो रिजल्ट दिया है ना वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ ओनली अ जर्नी ऑफ डिजीज पे दिया है। सो दैट इज द रिपोर्ट ऑफ द फंगल कॉफ कैंडिडिया albicans isolated. सो जर्नी ऑफ डिजीज 9th जनवरी चिकनगुनिया, 11th January facial palsy and 13th January mucormycosis. So the pace of the disease, what are the fast pace? And 15, 16 something patient is 13, 14 patient is unconscious. That much of the fastness of disease. Only from this I comes to the rubric is the suicidal disposition. Whenever the disease are going slowly, passively, that time think of that desire. But when are the disease going fast, think of suicidal disposition. Because that desire is a passive and suicidal disposition is the active. There is a syphilis. और दूसरा suicidal disposition हम वहाँ भी सोच सकते हैं. So many times ना after the quarrel, the person leaves the house directly. And he not वो वापस नहीं आता है जल्दी से. That time we also can think of that impulse is also suicidal. So rubric is the suicidal disposition, pathological rubric fungus, cancer, hematodes, and very peculiar thing is the face is too red when patient is unconscious. So I start the Crotalus horridus 10 m every 1 hourly. After the 4 hours of patient become the conscious. Continue same medicine every 1 hourly application. Patient discharged from the hospital. His RT catheter is removed. Speech is also start. Slurred speech is not completely a clear till. Patient का अभी का है, ये अभी का, इसके लिए उसका speech अभी आ रहा है, completely नहीं आया है. આપણે આ દાદાને ક્રોટલસ હોરિડસ 200 માં આપી દી, 3-4 ડોઝ અવલી આપીએ ત્યાં કોન્શિયસનેસ આવી ગઈ. That is the strength of homeopathy. And that is the power of predictive homeopathy. This is the grandson of that person. દાદાને જ્યારે હોસ્પિટલમાં એડમિટ કર્યા ને, that time unconscious થયા પછી catheter and each and everything હતું. Now હવે એવી condition છે કે દાદા છે ને ચાલતા પણ થઈ ગયા છે, બરાબર. દાદાને પાઇપ બધું જ નીકળી ગયું છે, ફૂડ બી જાય છે. પેશન્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઝ ઓન ટ્રીટમેન્ટ બટ ઇઝ અ કમ્પ્લીટલી અ ક્યોર. ઇવન એ જે રાજકોટમાં જે હોસ્પિટલમાં હતા ને ડૉક્ટર, એમને એવું કહેવું હતું કે ધીસ રિઝલ્ટ ઇઝ નોટ એક્સપેક્ટેડ. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ case of fungal disease. This is the approach of fungal disease. Now some repertorial word. What are the different word which are the in our repertory? So repertorial word, first word is the fungus, second is the mycosis, and in the main remedy is the Cilicia, synoptic. Synoptic में लिखा है frequent and recurrent infection of the fungal infection seems incapable throwing the infection well off. जब बार बार फंगल इन्फेक्शन होता है ना, वो जाता ही नहीं है, उस टाइम we need to give the Cilicia and has the capability of the throwing the infection well off. This is the remedy. This is the description in the Boger synoptic kit. Second word is the trichophytosis. Trichophytosis ringworm. One remedy is the bacillinum. Moist ringworm as a preclinical, as per clinical experience, when well selected remedies fail, bacillinum CM single dose, sepia and tellurium. These are the medicine of the trichophytosis. Ringworm all over the body. Sorinum and Ranicula bulbosa and there are the two remedies जब all over the body में होता है, and when the rings are intersecting, that time there is a tellurium. टीनिया वर्सिकोलर, जैसे हम देखते हैं ना वाइट वाइट स्पॉट आ जाते हैं बैक पे, फेस पे, दैट इज द टीनिया वर्सिकोलर. ट्राइकोफाइटोसिस आइसोलेटेड स्पॉट्स ऑन अपर बॉडी, वो ज़्यादातर अपर बॉडी में होता है ट्राइकोफाइटोसिस, टीनिया वर्सिकोलर. हाँ, सो द रेमेडी इज द सेपिया. कैंडिडियासिस इज अनदर वर्ड. फंगस, बोविस्टा, फंगस में से जो मेडिसिन बनता है बोविस्टा इज द पैरा ओवेरियन सिस्ट. Systemic fungal infection, mucormycosis, there is the 100% sure surety rubrics, cancerous affection, fungus nematodes. Automycosis, fungus in ear, mercury is a single remedy. And another one rubric is herpetic sarcinet. So now some tips by our mentor, Dr. Jitesh sir. Different location of the fungus and medicine. Mouth, white fungus like a growth. Taste mold. तो मैंने फंगस का जो टाइप्स दिखाया ना, वो फोटोग्राफ में वर्ड था मोल्ड. हाँ, that is the meaning of fungus. So taste mold fungus source बोरिक. तो बोरेक्स वाला जो है ना, इसका जो रेमेडी है वो बोरेक्स. So रेमेडी इज बोरेक्स. बोरेक्स में लिखा है white fungus like growth. Taste mold, source is boric. Tumor, general fungus like, particularly if syphilitic, only two remedies, mancinella and phosphorus. Tumors, general fungus, that is the reference of mancinella. Brain में ड्यूरामीटर में फंगस. Durameter, engorge, idiopathic fungus. Only remedy is Calcarea fos. Kidney, bleeding, fungus growth. Only remedy is Thuja, reference boric 4th line. Eyes, tumor, sarcoma, medullary. Only remedy is the belladonna. Tumor, female sexual, tumor, general, ovaries, cyst, per ovarian, remedy is Bovista. Cancerous, clavicles, fungus, nematodes, only remedy is sepia. So sepia बहुत बार सब rubrics में है. So one case which is the cured by Jitesh sir after the remedy prescription of the fungi medicine is the Bovista. So Bovista is basically a puff ball, and para-ovarian cyst is the outer layer of the ovarian. वहाँ cyst form होता है. That is the similar of the doctrine of signature, and each and every books in the para-ovarian cyst is the Bovista. ठंडा मतलब Coca-Cola. So that is the case. So one of the our medicine which prepared from the fungus is Bovista as the mark action on the para-ovarian cyst. Source book is Patak female chapter. So now what is the Bovista? One of the fungi remedy and very rare use. So there are the some key points which write down by the our sir in the frequent encounter. Open-hearted loquacity, when it truth tells the plain. Awkwardness in urticaria, quarrelsome and courageous, very nearest to the nux vomica also. And sir so many times said that whenever the nux vomica is failed, try to the Bovista. Intolerance, tight clothing to the abdomen, edema after the fracture, chronic ankle sprain, hearing indistinct, misunderstood, आवाज सही से नहीं सुनाई देता है. Limelight, desire for social function, amelioration, dreams of animal, snakes, bitten by, tetary eruption, palpitation in old maid, para-ovarian cyst, and cosmetic aggravation. There is a key point of Bovista. So this is the finish. Thank you so much. Vijayana 2020 mentor, Dr. Jitesh sir is coming for giving us some good information about the fungi.
5 મિનિટમાં
તો જોરદાર સરસ નાઇસ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ રિગાર્ડિંગ ઓફ ધ ફીવર એન્ડ વોટર ઇમ્યુનિટી. હવે આપણે જે કૃષાંગે ભણાવ્યું એ બહુ સરસ ભણાવ્યું અને કીધું કે ફંગસ આર ડેવલપ ઇનટુ ધ હ્યુમિડિટી એન્ડ વેર ધેર ઇઝ અ લેક ઓફ ઓક્સિજન, લેક ઓફ ક્લોરોફિલ્સ, કે પાંદડાઓમાં ક્લોરોફિલ્સને પ્રકાશ સંશ્લેષણની ક્રિયા ન હોય તો ફંગસ થાય. એવી રીતે હવામાં ભેજનું પ્રમાણ હોય તો એરબોર્ન ફંગસ થાય. શરીરમાં જો વોટર કન્ટેન્ટ અને સોડિયમ ઇમ્બેલેન્સ થાય બીકોઝ ઓફ ધ ઇમ્યુનોસપ્રેશન તો ફંગસ થાય. તો વી હેવ there are the certain factors which suppress our immunity. They are the stress factor. They are the immunosuppression emotions. So there are the immunosuppression emotions direct trigger to the our PNEI, psychoneuroendocrinologist, hypothalamus, hypothesis, pituitary, and then the TSH, and then the cellular level, and then the surface level or organ level or neurological level that express the fungus and that develop in form of the, because fungus contain the emerin and another આપણે એગારિકસમાં જે આવે મસ્કેરિન, બોઇસ્ટામાં આવે, અસ્ટિલોગોમાં આવે, સિકલકોરમાં આવે. when they invaded their surface antigens, because first primary response is the neutrophils. So whenever there are the two type of the fungus, one fungus where the neutrophil rise and one fungus when neutrophil decrease. Primary response when fungus is the rise is the mostly aspergillus. Aspergillus where neutrophil rise and candidial when neutrophil decrease. This is a difference. By CBC count you can diagnose that there is a aspergillus or candidiasis. So mostly moneliasis, candidiasis, vaginal infection, you will find the low neutrophil, and in increase aspergillus, respiratory tract infection, liver, GAT, where fungus is there, brain, you will find the high neutrophils. So wherever the prostaglandin and immuno response is there, increase the neutrophil, think of the aspergillus fungus, and decrease moneliasis and candidiasis fungus. So in para-ovarian cyst, you see the one thing, para-ovarian cyst. Now this is something different from the another cyst, ovarian cyst, because it develop from the, you know, the structure of the uterus, fallopian tube and ovary, and there when their ovaries is not directly separated, it is supported by the meso-ovarian, broad ligament, Mullerian duct. So a meso-ovarian and Mullerian duct, there is a epithelial lining where the fungus is there, and it developed and it proliferated, invaded, and it produced the cyst that is known as the para-ovarian cyst. You will not find, this is a difference from the PCOD and cancerous cyst, from the that difference, because you will not find a CA 125 or CEA in elevated level. That will be normal. That will be normal, and in CA that will be elevated. This is from the para-ovarian cyst. So it is a para-ovarian cyst. Think of the Bovistar, and after giving Bovistar 200, if you do not get the result in the 3 months, after sufficiently wait, then call me. Okay, this Bovistar and para-ovarian cyst has not been resolved. That we have to study why not resolved. Report is wrong or right. We have seen clinically 4 to 5 cases para-ovarian cyst and Bovistar. Now open-hearted locacity, you can find the open-hearted locacity rubric. Can you show me, Amit? Now we have remedies in open-hearted locacity. Open-hearted, there are the different kind of the people, soft-hearted, broken-hearted, hard-hearted, open-hearted. That shows the disposition, totally through disposition, kind-hearted, mild-hearted, broken-hearted, digitalis and netamute, hard-hearted, anacardium androctonus, open-hearted, hyoscyamus chocolate, illumina barata, Bovistar. Because they are open-hearted. દિલ ખોલીને વાત કરું છું. now દિલ ખોલીને વાત કરે છે. open-hearted locacity नहीं सात दवास तारा Dr. Vijaygar has beautifully explained open-hearted loquacity. In each rubric, there are the, let me explain this one rubric, and you have to understand rubric in this manner. Then you will exact arise to the medicine. કેમ કે બધું હરખું જ લાગે અને એમાં કઈ યાદ રાખવાની જેટલી દવા આવે એનો કોર હોય ને એને લીધે આ હોય ઓપન હાર્ટેડ છે extroverted, introverted, loquacity, abnormal loquacity, open hearted loquacity અને પછી દવાઓ અને એમાં ડિફરન્શિએશન ઓકે તો એમાં એડ કરી દો ડોક્ટર વિજયકર ઇઝ એડ ઓપન હાર્ટેડ લોકાસિટી બોવિસ્ટા હાયોસાઇમસ વેરાટ્રમ બરાઇટા ચોકલેટ ને એલ્યુમિના નાવ બોવિસ્ટા ઇઝ અ courageous out of the courage there is a lack of the moral inhibition they talk shamelessly like a hyoscyamus is a hyoscyamus and Bovista out of the shameless and lack of the moral inhibition that is a Bovista and hyoscyamus. Veratrum is to show and authoritative that's why open hearted. Baraita is out of indiscretion open hearted. Chocolate is a political motive because don't want to make friend or enemy that's why open hearted. And chocolate don't want to make the friends or enemy that's why out of the open hearted. And Illumina out of the confusion there is a open hearted. So you have to understand open hearted loquacity medicine is there. You have to understand why core of the remedy and લીધે આવું થાય છે. Okay, thank you.
Sir, mistake કરી ગઈ. It tells the plain.